Good morning, everyone. 12 weeks ago, we all came together in class. Some of us want to discover our self-ability, while others want to be master in public speaking. Public speaking turned out to be my most favorite subject this semester as it helped me to spread the idea in a professional way. We all want to be successful in public speaking. My name is Duy, and allow me to inform you the 3 keys to be successful in public speaking without writing an outline, choosing the language, and following the guideline rubric. The first and the most important key to be successful in public speaking is writing an outline. No matter what topic you are doing, an outline is your best friend. An outline is the backbone of the public speaking with cues that help you to trigger your talk, remind you of the key points, and help you to follow the correct pathway without getting lost. In our very first public speaking experience, introducing a classmate, I brought an outline, but I didn't take a look at it. Luckily, it was just a minor speech. If it was a major speech, it would be impossible for me to remember all the details, the main point, the support, the author without an outline. Moving on to the second key, language is your best friend, so choose it wisely. There are verbal and non-verbal language, including body language. We must be careful in using language so we do not hurt other people feeling by mistake. When in Rome, do as Romans do. It is important that we follow a cultural norm as we go into another country to show respect to the people and the culture. Different events and occasions will require different language to express the idea. In addition, language can be very flexible depending on the audience. If you ever have a chance to go to Vietnam and you do this to Vietnamese people, they will thought that you are saying hi to them. But in another culture, it may be just, Number 2, lastly, the heart of public speaking is following a guideline. In our class, it is a rubric. A rubric is a list of requirements that have various levels of quality from poor to excellent for a specific assignment. We must follow a rubric because it will help us to build a strong product in any field. Understand and follow the rubric so the product we make in our class is our speech would meet all the requirements. Thank you for your time listening to me. We are now the 3 keys to be successful in public speaking with creating an outline, choosing the language, and following the guideline. Without commitment, you will never start. Without consistency, you will never finish. Denzel Washington. As always, I wish you all the best in your career. Thank you.